Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. It's Monday night and this is AMA Garage 253. I'm Chris, got Andrew on the camera.
Hello.
So tonight we're going to be working on this 2001, I believe it's an LTZ400, it's a Suzuki quad. And it's got some issues back here on the axle housing, on the swing arm. So it's got some cracks that are occurring in the aluminum. And so we're going to be removing that and seeing if we can do some repairs on it ourselves. And if we mess it up too badly or it's just not repairable, then I'll see if I can get a used one, because it is a 2001 and I think some of the other years will probably fit it. So right now we've already taken off the brake line and the brakes. We've loosened those up. So we're going to be removing that main arm down there. There's a couple of bolts up front, and then we're going to see if we can get those axles out of the way or off of there anyways, so that we can do some welding on this. Sit back and enjoy.
Oops, sorry.
All right, everybody, so we've got both of the wheels off, tires. We've removed the sprocket and the disc for the brake. And so the next step is we're basically minimizing everything, and we're trying to not remove the swing arm. So we're minimizing everything on it so that we can have access to it. And so there's several cracks that are in there, and we're going to try getting in there, cutting those cracks out just a little bit, and then welding them up. And hopefully we can get good enough penetration in there so that the welds are good.
Alright everybody, here's a little quick update. As you saw, Chris started drilling all the holes from the cracks. That way he can get underneath there and weld it up. He just cleaned it with acetone. Got all of the dirt, contaminants and everything out of there, so that way when he welds it doesn't burn and splatter. Aluminum when you weld is very, very hot. So luckily we do have an aluminum spool gun. Usually you want to use 100% argon with that. Any other like 75-25 will cause the aluminum wire to not mesh and bond. So
we'll see how this goes.
Yeah, here we go. So you're gonna start on the.
I figured the inside one in here. Clear?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, you run again. Clear? Yes. Hey everybody, so we ended up taking off all the wheels, everything you guys saw, and ended up doing some welding. Used the MIG welder with a aluminum spool stinger or gun. So had to weld 3 corners on the casing for the axle, and got the welds done onto them. Not the most beautiful welds, but I think it reinforced it really well, and hopefully he's going to prevent it from cracking any further, and fixed it. So got everything put back together. The next steps, we're going to be draining out old gas from here, making sure the oil's good, changing the fluid in the radiator, and then putting a new battery in, and hopefully this thing will start right up. So we'll let you know. Thank you for watching, and we really appreciate it, and if you could like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate that too. Take care.